Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get so good wallpapers from Wallspy app. So for that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. So first you have to go to the Play Store and you have to search Wallspy. Here it is. Then you have to just install. I already installed it, so I don't have to install again. So you have to just install, and I'm opening it, so you have to just open. And then you can see there are so many wallpapers here: latest, popular, featured, random, as well everything. And if I'm selecting this one or this one, I can customize it as well. So some app don't have features of customizing that you can't customize, but this app have customizing features. That's why I'm making this video for you guys. You can customize it too, like clicking on customize. If you want to blur, then just do it. It will be blur. And if brightness, you can do whatever you want. Look, it's looking cool. Wow. So you have to give contrast. If you want to give contrast, it doesn't look good. Hue, you can give hue. Wow, it will change your color, so it's also good. And you have to just click on here and you have to click on set as wallpaper, and you have to, I'm giving it home screen, so you have to just click on home screen. If you want both, then you can give both screen, but I want in my home screen, so I'm giving home screen. So it will set your wallpaper automatically. Look, it's my wallpaper. It's looking kind of cool. And here there are so many features like set. If you want to set just this, then you can click on just set. That's it guys. That's how you can have the best wallpaper from this app, and also you can customize as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.